Hello, I am Pratham Sharma from team number 11. Our team has 5 members: Rajesh Paul, Mohit Solanki, Kamesh Yadav, and Shivam Pandey. The job allotted to us was to clone the website named Small Case. A small case is an intelligently weighted basket of up to 50 stocks. You will find here different types of stocks in which you can invest easily and safely. We have implemented maximum functionalities that the original website has using JavaScript. Designs were implemented using Tailwind or custom style sheets, and we made our own API using JSON server. Landing page of a clone website will be explained by Shivam Pandey.
Thank you, Pratham. In this landing page, we have a navbar which consists of important pages like Discover Small Case for Businesses, we are having blog page and a login button. And as you can see, this body it consists of a beautiful user interface which gives the right information how to use the small case website or app, and give the step-by-step information to invest in the small case. And now over to Kamesh, he will explain about the blog page.
Thank you, Shivam. We have also made the blog page linked at the navbar, where user may learn about the stock latest news and invest smartly. We have also made search engine at the navbar, where user can be search about related topic they may want to know about. More information, login and sign up process will be explained. Rajesh.
Yeah, thanks, Kamesh. So for login and sign up, a user first needs to create an account if you are a new user. For login and authentication, we have used our own API. So if you are not, if you have signed up already, you can click on login and enter the details which you have registered while. Okay. Now clicking on submit, it will redirect us to discover page. If the credentials are valid, we can see all these small cases available in our site. We can sort it by their prices, by risk volatility associated with it, and by investment strategies. Okay, so next part will be explained by Mohit. Over to you, Mohit.
Thank you, Rajesh. So in the collection part of the page, the user can see different small cases according to the popularity. So they can also see different options by clicking on the arrow provided below. And to search a small case of their own choice, they can click on the search input and fill the small case. And when you click on that small case, you will be directed to a page where you can see all the details about that small case. And in the bottom part of the page, you can see a graph about the current situation of that small case. And to invest in that small case, you can click on Invest Now button. And you will be directed to a page where you can fill all the payment details like name, card number, expiry date of the card, and amount you want to invest. So when you click on investment, you will be directed to a page which will make you sure about the payment is done regarding that small case. To create a small case of your own choice, you can click on the create option in the navbar. And here you can choose different small cases and make a new small case spec. And you can click on invest now to invest in that small case. And again, you have to fill all the necessary details of the payment. So when you click on invest part, that investment will be done for that new small case that you have created. So these are the functionalities we have included in our website. And now we are open for queries and suggestions. Thank you.